Today we are going to show you how to make a very delicious French dish. It's a stew that is called Garbure. I learned how to make Garbure when I was in France in the Pyrénées. You know that I was there about 2 weeks ago. It's a big white beans based dish. I soaked the beans yesterday and today we're going to make it together. Avec Lisa. Qu'est-ce que j'ai là? So first I'm grilling the meat that I have today. It's some pork that I brought back from the Pyrénées, Noir de Bigorre. And then I have some boutabara. That's another type of pork, you know, the very thinly sliced Japanese pork. Then you can add your garlic and your onion. So just mix the garlic and the onion with the meat and let cook for about a minute. Then add your carrots. Once you've cooked your carrots for 2 or 3 minutes, add your cabbage. Then cook for about 2 minutes. If you have some white wine, you can add a pinch of it. Then you add your beans, your bouquet garni, water. So the water has to cover the whole thing. So we need a little bit more. You can see already all the ingredients, grease, etc. coming out. Let me see the level. It's almost covered. I think that will do. We don't want to put too much water in there either, so that all the taste remains. Voila. Then cover and cook for about 2 hours. If the meat you use is not salty, you can add some salt. Some pepper. Don't forget to mix sometimes. It's ready.